guys, so for today's video we're doing another Universal Yum unboxing. So let's get right into it. For our June box, we're tasting snacks from Thailand. So I'm excited. I'm going to be reading the ingredients like I always tell you guys to do. When you're trying something for the first time, please check out the ingredients and to see what you might be and may not be allergic to. The box subscription don't have the option to exclude anything that you may not like. So make sure to read the little book with everything in it, and then I'll see you in a bit. Hey, it's Cassjcass and welcome back to my channel. Let's catch up. Subscribe for more. For our first one, we're going to try with green tea matcha cream coated biscuit sticks. So this is how it looks. And let's see how it tastes. So that's the stick inside of it. Let's see. Really good so far. Our next one is going to be the Thai coconut roll roasted sweet corn. This is how it looks. So they come out like this. They smell like coconut too. This is really good. It tastes like coconut. Wow, the aftertaste is amazing too. This is really good. I really like this one. Yep. And next we have coconut chips chocolate flavor. So let's see that one. So they're like little chips like this, and then covered in chocolate. Super good. Next, we're gonna have this Tasto spicy chips potatoes. Let's see. Look at the spiciness. Oh, okay. It smells spicy. Let's see. So they're like this. They are spicy. Oh my god. These are not like Takis. These are like really spicy, and I love it. Wow. This is a winner right there. Oh no, I might need water when I'm eating this. This is really spicy. Yes, I love it. Our next one is going to be the spaghetti sour punk. So I'm guessing it's like spaghetti looking. Let's open them. Okay, so that's how they are. Let's try one. Oh, they are sour. Really good, really good. Our next one is going to be these grilled seaweed rolls, barbecue sauce flavored. So I think it's just one roll in there, but let's see. I love seaweed. Barbecue flavor is good. This is the first time ever where I got one of these boxes and I literally like everything from it. Like there wasn't one thing I'm like, I literally liked everything from it. But for the sake of the video, I still have to rate them. But literally, I loved everything. I enjoyed everything. First time ever. Thailand, you did such a good job, okay? Our first one, since we have to rate, is going to be these because I love the aftertaste that it left in my mouth. It just like sweet. It was good. That's gonna be our first one. These coconut roasted this coconut roll roasted sweet corns. Our second one is going to be these spicy potato chips because they taste good. They're that good. That's gonna be my second one on the list. Our third one is definitely these coconut chips. They are so good as well. I don't know, something about this list is just, it tastes good. Plus it's covered with chocolate, so it's amazing. Our fourth one is going to be these grilled seaweeds because I love seaweeds. I'm just sad that they only put one roll in there and I'm already done with it. So I could have used more of this, okay? This is really good as well. That's going to be our fourth one. Our fifth one is going to be these green tea matcha cream coated cocoa biscuits. So this was really good as well. Not too sweet. It was amazing. It was good. So that's going to be our fifth one for the sake of having to rate everything. Our last but not least is going to be these spaghetti sour punk because I'm not really like crazy about them. So these are the things that I buy for the kids, not really for myself, but it was good. It was really good. So I enjoyed it. For the sake of learning, because I'm all about learning, I felt like I was doing all the learning by myself. So I decided I will start doing this book with you guys at the end of the videos because this book has facts, ingredients, everything that to know about the country that I'm trying the snacks from. So like for example, this one says Thailand, Thailand, the land of smiles. So there's a little trivia train to this that talks about facts, you know, about the country themselves. So they have this section over there. I'm gonna start doing them at the end of the video just because why not learn something after trying something so good, you know? So again, it's a trivia train. I don't know most of these answers. I'm gonna be guessing them. So if you know the answer, put it down below, and at the end of the video I will give all the answers as well, okay? Because they do have the answers down. I'm just not going to read them because I want to actually learn something, okay? So for the trivia train, the first question is Thailand holds the Guinness World Record for the longest what? City, paper dragon, noodles, wedding ceremony. I'll say paper dragon because they're like really big on this dragon thing. I'll say that. I don't know. Second question says Thailand has won blank. Thailand has won the blank 3 years in a row. The World Martial Art Tournament, International Snow Sculpture Competition, Global Rowing Competition, International Sand Sculpting competition. I'm going to guess, I'm trying to be not like, I don't know. I'm going to use everything I know to answer this. Global warring competition, I'm guessing. In Thailand, it's question 3. In Thailand, it's considered good luck to give 2 blank as a wedding gifts. Pink ostrich, elephant, bowl of rice, sesame cats. I'm thinking pink ostrich. I don't know. Number 4. Kids in Thailand, Moken tribe can whistle with perfect pitch. Smell fish from a mile away. See perfectly underwater. Climb 160 feet in 10 seconds. I don't know about the last one. I would say A, whistle with perfect pitch. I'm not confident about any of my answers. So, number 5. A chef in Thailand uses blank to cook his famous chicken. 1,000 mirrors, 3 flamethrowers, an ancient oven, boiling seaweed. I'm gonna go with an ancient oven. I don't know. Number 6. In Thailand, it's considered rude to touch someone under your nose, shoulders, head, feet. I would say shoulders. No, nose. Because why would you want to be touching somebody under your nose? Okay, nose. Because it would be weird to me. But again, I'm not from Thailand. But 7. Thailand is the only country home to which of these animals? Red elephants, sand-eating tortoises, waterfall climbing fish, hairless tigers. Red elephant, I'll say. 8. Stop by Bangkok restaurant Watana Panik to taste their 45-year-old blank. Soup, coffee, tea, or stir fried. I would go with soup. Now let's see how many I got right. And if you got the answers still, tell me how many you got right, okay? Alright, so for question 1, the answer is city. Okay, so Thailand have the longest city. Okay, nice to know. Number 2 is B, which is international snow sculpture competition. So they have won that award 3 years in a row. Number 3 is D, which is Sesame Cats, which is Simon's cat. I think on the question I said Sesame cat, but it's Siamese cat. So in Thailand, it's considered good luck to give 2 Siamese cats at a wedding. All right, good to know. Number 4 is C, meaning that kids in Thailand can see perfectly underwater. I thought that was kind of like an everybody thing. I can see perfectly, but I thought kids could see perfectly underwater everywhere. But yes, so they can see perfectly underwater. Good to know. Number 5 is A, meaning that a chef in Thailand uses 1,000 mirror to cook his famous chicken. How's that possible? Okay. Number 6 is C, meaning in Thailand it's considered rude to touch somebody's head. Why would you want to touch somebody's head? It's considered rude too, especially for black people. Why are you touching my head? But that's the answer, okay? So everybody should act like they live in Thailand. Don't touch people's head, okay? Number 7 is C, which means that Thailand is the only country home to waterfall climbing fish. Okay. Number 8 is A. That means that if you stop by Bangkok restaurant Watana Pane to taste their 45-year-old tea. I literally got none of them correct. But guess what? I learned that Thailand is the only home where fish are climbing waterfall. That's one of them. And this is it for the video. Thank you so much for staying along and watching the whole thing. I hope you learned something, because I did, okay? But please let me know what you thought of the video. I will continue doing these trivias. That way we can continue to learn together, because we're never tired of learning, okay? Especially about other countries. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment of what you thought of the video. And I'll see you on my next video. Mwah.